And for day 23 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for the year 2024, we have the UCS, the Ultimate Collector Series, Luke Skywalker's Landspeeder, and this was set number 75341. The X-34 Landspeeder was made especially for civilians by the Sorusub Corporation. It was built with a powerful repulsor lift engine augmented with 3 air-cooled thrust turbines. It was 3.4 metres long. I wonder if that's where the 34 comes from in the X-34. And it was fast and well suited for the harsh desert climates and for crossing rough terrain, as it could hover up to a metre over the ground. Owners had a choice of either an open cockpit or a sealed cockpit, but the speeder lacked any form of combat capability, having neither weapon mounts nor armour. However, a few were modified by, let's say, less savoury people to accept a gun or two. Farm boy Luke Skywalker owned an old and battered X-34, and Tatooine's deserts left the craft sand pot-marked and sun-faded. It was missing its port-side turbine cowling. This was shown a bit better on the 2022 version of the calendar build. Despite the battered appearance, Luke kept the craft in great running order through a bit of careful maintenance and a lot of tinkering. After the death of his auntie and uncle, Beru and Owen Lars, Luke travelled to Mos Eisley with Ben Kenobi. He sold his X-34 to Wyoslia, a female Vouvrian, for 2,000 credits, and the money was used to help pay for transportation to the planet Alderaan aboard the Millennium Falcon. He was lucky to get 2,000 credits for his X-34, as the demand for them dropped off after the release of the upgraded XP-38. I wonder if he'd have ever got aboard the Millennium Falcon if he hadn't sold it. A movie trivia fact for you. Not so much a spoiler really, because the movie is nearly 50 years old now. It was originally called Star Wars, not A New Hope. A New Hope was added later. Anyway, the effect of the X-34 Landspeeder hovering was made by placing mirrors under the body over the wheels, so you couldn't see the wheels, and the sandy desert was reflected in the mirrors, creating the illusion of the craft hovering. Hope I haven't ruined it for you guys.